shining stars, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. I hope that you all are studying well and enjoying schooling from home, right? Yes, I am back with subject Environmental Studies. In Environmental Studies, we had completed our 5 chapters, right children? हमने हमारे 5 chapters complete कर लिए हैं. Which were they? Yes, my home, my school, plants around us, animals around us, rules for safety. Yes, children, we have learned many things in all these chapters, and now in today's lecture we will start our new chapter, chapter 6, the earth and the sky. What is the name of the chapter? The earth and the sky. First of all, what is the earth? Yes children, ये new word EARTH, earth है क्या? So let me tell you that there are 9 planets in our solar system. हमारे सूर्यमंडल में 9 planets हैं. Which are they? Let us see. First is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. Okay children? So the earth is the planet where the life exists. Yes children, हमारा जो अर्थ है वो ऐसा प्लैनेट है जहाँ हम रह सकते हैं. वेयर वी कैन लिव. एग्जिस्ट दैट मीन्स जहाँ हम रह सकते हैं. तो वाई वी कैन लिव ओनली ऑन अर्थ? क्यों हम दूसरे प्लैनेट्स पे नहीं रह सकते? देयर इज द रीजन बिहाइंड इट. यस, बिकॉज द लाइफ एग्जिस्ट ओनली ऑन द अर्थ. हमें ऑक्सीजन, वाटर, एयर, ये सारी चीजें सिर्फ और सिर्फ अर्थ पे मिलती है. ओके, there is no oxygen, no air, no gravitational force on the other planets. What is gravitational force? Let me tell you. The earth attracts and pulls each and every object to itself, to its side. Okay children, अर्थ जो है वो सारी चीजों को अपनी ओर खींचता है. That's why we can stand. This is Newton's universal law of gravitation. Okay, that's why there is life only on the earth. अगर हम दूसरे प्लैनेट्स पे जाएंगे तो हम ऐसे खड़े नहीं हो पाएंगे. Why children? Because there is no gravitational force on other planets. There is no oxygen on other planets. You all can see that astronauts, right, जो दूसरे प्लैनेट्स पे जाने की ट्राई करते हैं, why they are wearing such mask, why they are wearing such equipments? Yes, because they don't have oxygen. They carry oxygen cylinders with them. दूसरे प्लैनेट्स पे ऑक्सीजन नहीं होती, पानी नहीं होता, एयर टू ब्रीथ दैट मीन्स सांस लेने के लिए हवा भी नहीं होती. Only the planet Earth has such things like water, air, oxygen, and main thing that is we also have gravitational force. Only the Earth planet has such things like air, water, gravitational force and oxygen. Okay children, that's why there is life only on the earth. Okay, let us see some of the important points which you need to know about earth. We live on earth. हम कहाँ रहते हैं? हम अर्थ पे रहते हैं. It is round in shape. कैसे शेप का है अर्थ? Round in shape. The earth is made up of land, water and air. सारा पूरा अर्थ किस कौन सी चीजों से बना हुआ है? Land that means जमीन, water that means पानी and air that means हवा. The earth is the third planet from the sun. Yes children, the earth is on the third positions in our planet. The earth is fifth largest planet in our solar system. पूरे सोलर सिस्टम में हमारा अर्थ फिफ्थ लार्जेस्ट प्लैनेट है. अर्थ प्रोवाइड्स वाटर and oxygen for life. Yes children, हमें मेन चीज क्या चाहिए होती है? Oxygen to breathe and water to drink and food to eat. The earth is larger than planets like Mercury, Venus, Mars, etc. 70% of the earth consists of water and rest 30% is of ground. On ground there are all countries and jungles. Okay children, 100% में से 70% अर्थ पे पानी है and rest 30% पे ग्राउंड है जहाँ पे सारी कंट्रीज लोकेटेड है and also the jungles, right? That's why the color of our earth is blue. Earth has an atmosphere consisting of 21% of the oxygen which helps for the survival of human beings. हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में 21% ऑक्सीजन है जिससे हम सब सांस ले सकते हैं. द अर्थ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. हमारा अर्थ किसके आसपास चक्कर लगाता है? सन के. अर्थ टेक्स 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4 seconds to rotate on its axis. The population of this planet is 7.58 billion. Moon is the only natural satellite on Earth. Yes children, हमारे पास एक ही natural satellite है, which is that one? Moon. There are thousands of satellites orbiting from the space. The satellite provides us information about the climate and the entire Earth. It has made the map system so easy. The age of this planet is 4.543 billion years. Yes children, we celebrate Earth Day on 22nd of April every year. This name has come from Old Germanic word that means ground. Earth का मतलब क्या होता है? The ground, right?
As I've taught you about the Earth, yes, it is the only planet where life exists because of water and air. So what I'm showing you, yes, this is the model of the Earth. It is called the globe. G-L-O-B-E, globe. क्या हम अर्थ को देख सकते हैं ऊपर से एक ही ग्लैंस में? नो, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू व्यू द अर्थ एट अ ग्लैंस. तो ये मॉडल ऑफ द अर्थ है. अर्थ हमारा हूबहू ऐसे ही दिखता है. यू कैन सी इट इज स्लाइटली टिल्टेड एट एन एंगल ऑफ 23.5. बिल्कुल स्ट्रेट नहीं है हमारा अर्थ, थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है, दैट इज टिल्टेड. इट इज टिल्टेड एट एन एंगल ऑफ 23.5. You can see at the center it has an imaginary line. उसका मतलब है हमको इमेजिन करना है. इसके सेंटर में एक लाइन पास होता है, उसको कहते हैं एक्सिस. AXIS, एक्सिस. ये कहाँ से पास होता है? यस, फ्रॉम द नॉर्थ पोल, फ्रॉम द साउथ पोल एंड फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, एक्सिस इज द इमेजिनरी लाइन passing through the center of the earth from the north pole as well as the south pole. Okay, now coming to the globe and its colors. You can see the blue colors. Yes, these are the water bodies. Okay, so as I have said you, the blue color is referred to the water bodies. Yes, you are right. It has the 70% of the earth's surface covered with water. And what about the land? Right, it is the 30%. You can see. And what about the color of the mountains? Correct, they are brown in color. The mountains, plains and rivers. Rivers are blue. Okay, mountains are brown. And what about the fields? They are the green in color. Okay, done with all the colors. Mountains, rivers and the plains. Plains मतलब क्या है? मैदान. माउंटेन मतलब पहाड़ और रिवर्स मतलब नदी या समुद्र. टू द शेप ऑफ द अर्थ. यस, अर्थ का क्या शेप है? इट इज नॉट द परफेक्ट राउंड. तो क्या है? इट इज फ्लैट एट द टॉप एंड एट द बॉटम. और सेंटर में क्या है? इट इज बल्ज्ड. ऊपर से फ्लैट है और बॉटम से भी फ्लैट है और बीच में फुगा हुआ है. दैट इज द शेप ऑफ आवर अर्थ.
So children, I hope कि आपको आज की वीडियो समझ में आई होगी. Now we will meet in our next environmental studies lecture. There we will continue this chapter number 6, the earth and the sky. Okay, then in the next lecture we are going to learn about the land, the water, the air and sky. Yes, what you have to do, you have to keep all these points on your mind. Okay, आपको ये सारे points याद होने ही चाहिए. Why? Because this is the general part. Okay, whenever someone asks you such question, you should know the answer very well. Okay, children. So till that, stay home, stay safe, keep studying, keep practicing. Bye bye.